So we have Hamid, Imran and Adib.
So today we'll talk about how society manage waste to reduce pollution for our topic today. So first of all, I want to say good morning to all of you. So who want to go first for this topic? So
I go.
you want to go first?
I go first. For my opinion, how society manage waste to reduce pollution is no society from us we have to not use plastic bag beside not use plastic bag beside use the cloth bag or eco bag. Example, when we go to the store or shop, we bring eco bag from home to buy something, and we took stuff from the shop, just took the put the in eco bag.
You mean paper bag?
No, eco bag, the cloth bag.
Go back. So that you can use it every time we go to shopping.
Yes.
Okay, that's all of it. So I want to add my point. First of all, I agree with your point because your point is very relevant to my life. And yes, I agree because we can use the eco bag to use every time we go shopping. So, from my opinion, I think the society should use the 3R method, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Um, for recycle, we know that 3R method is known for a process that turns wasted thing into a useful thing that we can use again.
Oh,
We can use it into another thing. By doing that, we can reduce our air pollution and other kind of pollution in our mother earth. So, for example, we can use a empty plastic bottle to and turn it into a plastic pot for us to plant our plant. Yes, such as watermelon seeds and orange seeds, any kind of plant we want. So that's all for me. You want to add your point? Adik?
Yes, I have my point, but I agree with you because the point is can make our earth be more better. For my point, uh, society can manage waste to reduce pollution by using social media. By using social media, they can invite the people to join event to how to reduce pollution. Uh, by invite uh, invite they they can realize the consequences. They can realize the consequence why reduce pollution is good for us.
So
Um,
do you have an example?
no, I don't have.
You don't have an example.
Yes.
uh,
Do you agree or disagree?
I agree because what you say is good. Your point is good. So I go to my point. My point, my opinion, also bringing food from home. Bringing food from home means when you when we bring food from home, we don't use a plastic food container or glass container, or glass plastic.
Well, I mean, we don't have to buy another food at the market
At the restaurant or
at the restaurant. So
of
usually they come with a plastic bag to serve the food.
when we bring from home, we just use the container food and just tumbler to
and you can use again.
yes. So beside that, we don't waste plastic and rubbish avoid rubbish, and they can also manage waste to reduce pollution.
Yes, that's a very good point from you, Azri. I am very agree with your opinion because yes, by bringing food from home, we can reduce the pollution and not use too many plastic in our daily life.
Yes.
So from my point of view, I also think that by using 3R method, such as reduce, such as reduce, the society need to reduce by burning down the fire, burning down the plastic bag, because that can pollute our air. Because the carbon dioxide will rise up after we burn our things.
The atmosphere of our Earth can little by little gone.
But
You mean the air from our Earth, the atmosphere at our atmosphere of our Earth can be gone by little by little, little by little.
yes, because when we burn something, the carbon dioxide in our atmosphere will rise up.
There will be
The pollution, yes. The air will turn grey and very ashy or whatsoever. Yes, for this point, I don't have an example. So
That is a good point, and if the air, that's a good point of view, and if the air gone, at least the atmosphere gone from our Earth, we can die, we can,
yeah,
we all of us can die.
yes, because our lung will be polluted from the trash air and ashy air.
Yes.
So
For my second point, by using social media, we can make poster for people. We can make poster about reduce pollution. For make a poster, the people for make a poster, this can make people be open-minded. How good to reduce pollution. That's my
you have example.
yeah. That's my example.
Oh, that's your example.
Yes.
Sorry.
make poster stick at what place?
Social media. You can
Oh,
put
social
it
media.
on social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, like that.
Like social poster lah.
Yes, social poster.
Social internet poster.
Something like that.
Oh, for me that was good. I want to add some point. My point is recycle plastic packaging products. Like we buy something like crackers, we use the plastic bag. Beside that, we don't have to burn it. We just to use the for poly bag. Doing poly bag. Make a pot like plastic pot. The plastic crackers.
Plastic to plant something.
Yes. To plant something.
We use plastic bag.
Yes. To make a plastic pot.
Okay.
So to plant the tree or little tree. Example.
For example, your example.
My example is use the plastic to make the plastic pot or poly bag. You can use another plastic product packaging like biscuit or something like we buy, we have the plastic.
Thanks, huh?
Plastic.
Okay, thank you. Alright, submit your appointment. Next thing.